你好，你好吗？
Hi, everyone. Today's journey takes us into the realm of Chinese Pinyin Finals. In this video, you'll receive a clear guide on how to accurately pronounce Chinese Pinyin Finals. This comprehensive tutorial will walk you through the intricacies of each sound, empowering you to speak with confidence. Get ready to master the art of Pinyin Finals as you follow along and practice. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation for pronouncing Mandarin words correctly. Let's delve into the world of Pinyin Finals and refine your pronunciation skills.
Finals.
A O E I U Ü I A O O N N Ang Ong Ya Yao Ye Yo Yan Yin Yang Ying Yong Wa Wo Y Wei Wan Wen Wang Win Yue Yuan Yun R.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our language tutorials. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.